So today we are going to study the classification of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the compound formed by the combination of hydrogen and the carbon. Already we have seen that carbon shows the tetravalency. It has the 4 free valencies and 4 element come with a single electron and form the bond. So this carbon shows the versatile nature. It has the covalent bond and it shows the catenation property. Catenation property means it not only combined with the same element carbon, but it also combined with the other elements also, just like a hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen and all. So now hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are divided into two types. First type is called as open chain compound. Open chain compound, or it is also called as aliphatic compound, or it is also called as acyclic compound. A means absence of cyclic form. It is not present in the cyclic form. So it is called as acyclic compound. It is called as aliphatic compound because it is getting from the fat, and in the Greek word fat means aliphatos, and that's why it is also called as aliphatic compound. So these are the open chain compounds. Now the another type, these are called as the closed chain compounds. Closed chain compounds are in the ring form and it is in the cyclic form, and that's why it is also called as ring compound, or it is also called as the cyclic compound. Now these open chain compounds or aliphatic compounds are divided into two parts. First part is called as the saturated hydrocarbon. Second part is called as the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now, saturated hydrocarbons are the single bonded compound. Saturated hydrocarbons are the single bonded compound and unsaturated hydrocarbons are the multiple bonded compound. It has the double bond also. It can be the double bond as well as it can be has the triple bond, but here these saturated compounds are the single bonded compound. Now, saturated compounds family member name is alkane. Alkane ends with the letter A-N-E, ends with the letter here A-N-E, alkanes. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atom. If number of carbon is 1, if I will substitute the value of the carbon, Cn means C1, H2 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So it becomes C1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So C1H4. We are not writing C1, so we can write down CH4. So this is the compound CH4, means this is the carbon. This carbon has the 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the structural formula of the carbon. If I will show you the valency, so this is the valencies of the carbon. These are the 4 valencies of the carbon. This is the first hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen, and in the same way we can put the fourth hydrogen also here, and this will be the carbon. This is the methane. In this way, the second carbon, if we want to substitute the value of 2, then we get C2, H2 2s are 4 plus 2 means C2H6, and compound will be formed, that is carbon-carbon, 4 valencies. First of all, we need to give the 4 valencies. So here like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the structural formula, and molecular formula is C2H6. So these are the formulas for what? In this way we can get the particular compound. So first family member is called as, compound is called as methane, second carbon ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. In this way these are the alkanes.